My name's David Metzger. I'm one of the partners here in Total Raptor Experience. We're a falconry school and conservation education organization. Flies birds of prey out here for our students. Come out and learn about them and watch them fly and just enjoy their presence up close and personal. And they get to go out here and fly around with these paragliders and hang glider pilots here at the world's finest soaring site, Torrey Pines Glider Port. We're readily accessible on totalraptorexperience.com. Our website details all of our programs and gives you a way to sign up and come out and work with the birds. Yeah, learn all about it.